Hey, I'm Maureen Heymans, the technical lead on Google Social Search. Today we launch Google Social Search on Labs, and I'm going to show you a quick demo of how it works. When you are planning a trip, wouldn't it be nice to see what your friends think about the destination? I'm doing a query for New Zealand, a place I'm interested in possibly visiting. If you scroll down, you will see two new search results. As you can see, these results are from my friends Jeremy and Simon. Jeremy is a friend on Gmail, and Simon is someone I'm subscribing to on FriendFeed, who is part of my public social graph. What do I mean by public social graph? As you know, Google has profile pages, and I've added different social networks I'm part of into my profile. In order to see the social search result on your search page, you need to be signed in into your Google account. Of course, with social networks, privacy is always a concern. So we give the user an element of choice, transparency, and control in the product. You can choose exactly what content to connect with your Google profile, control who you are connected to in your social circle, and on the results page, you are offered transparency on where the connections come from, which I will show you in a moment. Let's do another query. If I'm interested in switching from my BlackBerry to iPhone, social search can be a tremendous help. As you can see, my friend Paul has a blog where he talks about his experience from switching from the BlackBerry to the iPhone. Also, if I want to get more information, I can click on results from people in my social circle to get even more search results, which can help inform my buying decision. If I didn't want these friends to show up, I can delete that social network, which gives me control. Transparency is very important to us. And what we mean by transparency is that we want to make it very clear to you how you are connected to those people. Let's look at the Chris Sacca results. Steve Baker is following Chris Sacca on Twitter, and Steve is one of my friends on Gmail. Here is another example. I'm interested to learn more about a restaurant I heard called Spark in San Francisco. Using social search, I'm able to get even more relevant local restaurant reviews. As you can see, in this scenario, I have found a review on Yelp that my friend Ninian has posted for Spark Restaurant. Now I can click through that review, and as you can see, the review looks positive and makes my restaurant decision even easier. We keep adding improvement to social search. We will be happy to hear your feedback.